oh, this is setting up for something crazy. If I time this well, we are in. If not, we are cooked, guys. You guys should join me. Let's see how this goes. So guys, it's currently Tuesday. Yesterday's trade hit stop loss. It was a good sell. Yeah. So is it good to have a buy? Yeah, a good sell. I had that set up since last week. So this week it's just triggered this week and price. This thing, I saw my problem initially. My problem was that I entered the market had already directly from an opposite PI, which is something I learned yesterday. So at least I've added that to my playbook. Next time I won't make that mistake. That's the importance of practicing, constant practice. Not just learning and just keeping it. That's bullshit knowledge. Once you have acquired knowledge, try and practice it, to practice into play in the market, and you see how you would. Because to me, the best teacher basically is experience. The more experienced trader you are, the more you can navigate any situation in the market. It's not about learning technical analysis. You might be very, very good at technicals, but as far as you have not gotten that experience, there are some certain market conditions that you won't be able to trade that your strategy or workflow. So the best thing is try and practice consistently, even if you don't have an account to trading. Get a demo account. Practice. Make sure you don't miss any day, bro. Like no days of constant practice. So for today, I have an outlook. I have a setup I'm waiting for. One go, a good buy. So I change bias. So I have a good buy I'm waiting out for. If that triggers, then we are in. I will see how it goes. I'm going to update you guys how the trade goes. I'm currently at work, as you can see. So I want to thank you guys for the love. The last videos like this is actually my best video so far, and I pray this goes more than that. So inshallah, let's see how it goes now. I'll update you guys when I'm on the trade. Peace out. So that trade I took on good with my stop loss, and it's actually doing a profit right now. I don't know what that software is doing. I don't know what I did wrong, because I knew that my analysis was on point. You get, so that was a continuation trade, and I got my PI real. It was good, guys. I just go back home here. So the trade I took today, I took two trades today actually, GBP and XAUSD. So the both of the trades, or the both of them, it's stop loss. I'm going to put stop here for you guys. Yeah, so my room is lit up today. Yeah, I got bulbs today. I just decided that I need to do some changes, and small I will start from here. As time goes on, I might be changing some things like the paint of the room and all that, but for now I just got a bulb. Sorry, two bulbs, this one right here and this one that side too. I just did it just to help me, because most times I cannot see my keyboard, because my keyboard is not the type that has lights inside. So most times, like early morning time, based on my lights and all that bright, I could not see, or I am not able to see my keyboard well to be able to do some things now, like edit and all that, and also chat work. So it just helps me. So it's looking okay. It's looking okay. It's not that. It's not much, but it's okay. It's honest work, you know. So that's the update. We ended today in the loss. So I'm planning to make a video today, and I'm planning to also check what I did wrong. So I'm going to backtest those trades I took, and guess what? Those trades, after hitting stop loss, they went straight to take profit. It's a very crazy feeling. I won't even lie. GBPUSD and the XAUSD, they hitting in the hit stop loss, they went straight to take profit. It's a very painful feeling, because I was patiently waiting for setup today. All good. I'm still going to review. Like, I still have a lot of things to learn, guys, but we'll leave that aside for now. So let me freshen up. I just go home. Let me freshen up and get to the chat. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. I'm currently on a trade now. It's currently Wednesday. I'm on a trade on GBPUSD buy. So I'm going to show you guys how the buy. So guys, this is the buy I'm on now, currently on GBPUSD. As you can see, let me quickly explain why I took a buy from here.
So prior to a breaker block here, gave us shorter shift in this method and POI. Then I took this entry from 5 minutes time frame. This is a 5 minute entry. So I took the entry from short shift happened there. The short shift happened there. Then I took my entry from the test of the original rate of the short shift, which is the other block. So that was how I got this my entry. It's a simple thing though, so I'm still considering where I should take profits. Right at this high, whether I'll put it at this high or this external liquidity high. So I'm still contemplating. I'm still going to update you guys how this goes.
So it's currently Thursday here. I have a trade outlook. I'm looking out from GPUSD and XAUSD, but for the gold, I'm not sure it's going to reach my POI today. So that one is out of the list. So I have a GPUSD trade I'm waiting for currently. Price has not gotten there, so price is currently approaching there, but it's not very close to the POI. So I'm just trading right now. I've put my limit. Yes, basically, I've set my limit and I'm waiting for price to come there. So that's it. Nothing much today. It's been a dull day at work too, and the market. So initially this morning I was confused on directional buyers, but I had friends that helped me solve that mistake I was about to make. Also my bro too. So my bro and a friend of mine that also trades, so they helped me they corrected me from the mistake I was about to make. You get? So that is it basically. And it's all about directional buyers. I'm going to explain it for you guys tonight. Because I'm going to break it down for you guys this night. I'll do like a recording this night explaining what happened, why I changed buyers and all that, everything that happened today. Because initially I was confused on buyers. I had a specific buyers, but I saw my bro posting another buyers and a friend of mine that trades too. He sent me another buyers on the same pair. Get like an opposite bias of what I had. So I had to go and revisit it after asking them why they are sticking to these bias which they sent to me. I had to go and revisit my bias and I saw what they were actually talking about also too. So that is one thing about trading. Try your best and have somebody that has the same mindset with you or that does the same thing with you. It's going to help you because once you have such a person, no matter the kind of loss you take, they will be there to at least encourage you once in a while. But still, you have to encourage yourself. You have to bring yourself out of that loop. But still, you need people to actually encourage you, to actually help you, to actually guide you in a way. Because there's not you, them you'll be 100% perfect taking entries. You get, it's not possible. There will be times you might fumble or you might be confused and you want to do the wrong thing, or you are at the verge of doing the wrong thing. Then they will be there to actually correct you or to actually bring you back on track. You get, so that's just it. Not like you're learning from them or you're basically. You guys just learn from each other mistakes. You get, if you make a mistake, you tell him. Next time he's not going to make that mistake. You get, next time you will not make the mistake because now you have somebody that actually helped you to check what the problem was on that particular mistake that you made. They will help you check it. You won't make that mistake next time. They won't make that mistake next time, and that's how you go together. You know what I'm saying? So that is basically how it has been for me so far. I believe next year is going to be the year. Well, this year I had the plan initially, and I'm going to break it down for you guys. Now, let me just break it down for you guys now. So the plan is actually to use 2 months. I started this plan beginning of this month, and so far we have been trying so far. But this week has been a rough week though. So the plan is not to fund my account, not to buy any profit from my account or anything at all concerning buying accounts. So I'm trading a commission account. So I'm trading a commission account, and I just opened a demo account which I will be able to practice my trades taking. So I've documented for 2 weeks now. And so far, this is 2 weeks or 3 weeks. 2 weeks. This is my 3rd week basically. For 2 weeks so far. and this is my third week. So for the 2 weeks I've documented my trades. We ended those 2 weeks profitable. Yes, you heard me right. We ended those 2 weeks profitable. Although losses were more than wins, but the wins go of the higher RR. The wins cover the losses plus extra profits on top. You get. The wins cover the losses plus extra profit on top. So that's the power of risk management. That's the power of knowing what your strategy can give you. So this now I'm just trying to refine. So by the end of the year, by December 25th, I'll now write a preconceived plan based off how much I've saved so far, based off my RR, like my minimum RR, based off my risk management, based off amount of trade I'll take in a week and all that. So because now I'm like I don't have any rule ascertaining how or the amount of trade I'll take the amount of trade I'll take in a week, but I have a rule ascertaining the amount of trades I'll take in a day, which is two trades maximum in a day. But I not set for a week because I know that this is like my testing phase, so I don't need to set short through because it's going to restrict me from seeing what market actually does. So I want to do it, and over time, by next year probably, with all the data I will have gathered these 2 months, I will know how I'm going to structure my plan for the beginning of the year or for the year basically. So if this works out, bro, next year is going to be bloody. We're going to drop this, like we'll eat this market, get. So I want you guys to stay tuned and join me on this journey. It's not been an easy journey, but I know we'll get there. Time and consistency with prayer always pays. Get. So that's it for today. Nothing much. I'm going to update you guys in the night when I get home how today's trading day went, and also the video I said I'm going to make for you guys explaining what I learned today. So that is basically, if you have enjoyed or if you enjoyed this video, be to like, share and subscribe, guys. Follow us to join. Don't relent to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Guys, so I'm currently on the trade now. It's not looking good, sir, but let me show you guys how it looks. Crazy. So I reached my stop loss already. Okay, no. So we are still on the trade, sorry. So this is how I was looking here. I entered from here. Here to price. I entered from here. Price, that's what you said. It came out this time. So let's just assume it's a liquidity sweep. Because this pair can be crazy sometimes. It's shocking that it's probably, or it might probably take us out like this. Yes, then you sort of block here to say why. No reason. So that's it for the GU. I have this outlook on gold. This buy outlook here. I'm waiting for gold to come to this my zone, so I could take a buy from this one. Why? Because you could see this breakout. I'm price has not yet retested it. So this is a breakout. So this that was meant to retest for to form liquidity. That's taking out the high. That's taking out this side. So me, I'm expecting, if you look now, there's general liquidity here. So I'm expecting a push here. I'm going to push to the upside. So that's it. And I'm currently on a personal trade here. A personal trade on BTC. This is a buy setup on BTC. So let me show you guys how it's looking on MT5. The both setups or the both trades. So this is for BUSD. Let me show you. This is my Naira account. It's not a real account. It's a demo account. I'm kind of practicing what I'll be doing from next year. So I want you guys to be very scared of me, because my return is going to be crazy. So this is trade on GBP on BTC USD, sorry. So let me show you guys how it's looking on this one. So these are looking on this one. How do I get it? So these are looking on this one. It's been a crazy ride, sha. So these are looking on this one. So it's just doing this thing right now. But I'm still expecting a drop because now it look it up this way, so that block. So I expecting a drop from this other block now. So let's see what price does. Let's see how price reacts. But there's still hope, sha, because it's live. But let's see what price does for sha. And it's already off time section. If 7 o'clock reach and this trade has not moved or it moves, let's say it moves in profit to at least this zone and it's 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, I'm closing it. I'm going to tell my community to, so the community too are also on it, we are also on it in the community. I call this for them too. So this is when I call it for them. Where is this sale? Yeah. So we are currently on the sale now. I also got the good buy, but I don't got the BTS because it was too fast. Let me send it to them right now. Let me send it to them. Because it was too fast. It's a kind of a fast trade and wasn't active at the time. Okay, so since we're only 46 subscribers here, you want to join us, type I want to join in the comment section and we'll add you. It's a free channel. So this is how it's looking. Yeah. So that's it, guys. It's been a crazy week. 0 minutes this week. Just all losses. I haven't been able to record like myself fully this week because ah I hate losses, bro. I won't lie to you. But there's always like that I like taking losses. Nobody likes taking losses. So me, I hate taking losses. I won't lie to you guys. I hate taking losses. But it's part of the game because it actually helps you. If you don't take losses, you will not learn. Yeah, so I'm still trying to build up. So that's it for now. I'm going to catch you guys later. Peace out.
Just go back home. It's currently 9 p.m. I'm getting back home by this time because I went to church. I went for an adoration. So I'm just getting back home now and I'm fucking tired. I don't think I'll attack chat again. But I have a setup I'm currently on sir. On them. So the trade I took today, the GPS trade I took today, it is stop loss. So I found my mistake. My mistake was because I entered PI or I picked my PI from lower time frame. Meanwhile, the higher time frame bias or the higher time frame PI was more valid. It's still at the same zone, so basically I used that stop loss. So that is basic explanation of what happened with the trade or what went wrong. But I'm on this BTC trade now. The BTC trade is not on the prop firm, mind you. It's like on a personal account, like a demo account. I'm then like practicing on. You get, so just trying to practice what I'll be doing next year. So you guys should stay tuned. If you are watching this point, just like, share, and subscribe. It's currently Thursday, so tomorrow is Friday. We hope tomorrow is going to be better on currency pairs though, because on crypto we are killing it there. So that's it, chat. Not too much. We're just chilling here. It's been a rough day, crazy rough day. Let me quickly show you guys what I'm coming out for. All the trades I took today, both on GU and on BTC and Coin. So guys, as you can see, this is the GBP trade I took on today. Basically, you can see what price did here. After tapping to a higher time frame breakup block, he gave us this structure shift here. It was this week as in this month here, then pull back into the zone. So that was how I got it set up. So the mistake I made, I said earlier in the video, was I picked my SL from. So like I was saying, the problem for this trade was SL placement and PI placement. But the PI placement was good, or is good. The issue now is SL placement. Also PI placement too. Because if you go to the 45 minute time frame now, this is 45. Let's just focus. So on the 45 minute time frame, this is our PI. It's not focusing, guys. Okay, it has focused from this breakup block here. So the entry itself is not meant to be here. It's meant to be here. So now this entry is going to make your trade a little bit higher. You get, so your S is going to be above this body like this. So this is how the trade is meant to be. You get, so I'm meant to be in profit currently, but this is what price did you get. So until the next, at least I've learned from this. You get. So going on to BTC, this is my BTC trade. Yes, BTC right here, as you can see here. What's today's day? Let's bookmark this day, 27th of November 2025. So this is the trade here. It's like a continuation trade, double break of structure, inducement and PI. So we are on this trade currently. Let's see how it goes. We are still chilling here. So this is like a personal trade on a demo account. Mind you, I don't have any live account for now. My plan is to fund or to start funding from next year. You get, this is just practice. Then I'll work on myself, my psychology and all that. So that's the plan, nothing much. I sent it to the community too, but I could not send the BTC trade to the community because I could not send earlier on. It was when it was there. So those that took it, because price actually came back to my entry here. So those that took that opportunity when price came back to my entry will be on this trade now. And I know somebody that also took it. But and somebody came to my DM and were like, "Boss, why did you not call this one for?" I was like, "Bro, it was too fast. It's like it was a fast trade, so I could not call it, and I wasn't very active at that point. So I just saw the trade and I entered the trade quickly because I was kind of busy today, so I could not call out trades like that. I wasn't that active. I just saw G and I just entered it. Okay, so I wasn't that active today, so that's it for all this. So we are on this shop on gold. There's nothing on. Okay, I had this buy setup on gold, yeah, but I took a wrong entry, or I had a wrong entry. It was at the same time, but I picked my PI wrongly. So this is what happened, guys. As you can see, this is my PI here. But now the PI is meant to be from the week here, because the week is no longer than the body. So I meant to pick my PI from me, but I picked it from the body. So as you can see, price came very close to it and started buying. I mean, price skipped my entry. That was right. So once price does this kind of thing, the best thing to do in that case is to leave the trade, knowing that if price comes back to a PI, that trade is invalid. So that was what I did, and because this trade, if it's about or if it's actually valid, price should have taken out this high by now. You get, price should have taken out this high, because why? Because price is after liquidity. You get, once price takes out liquidity on a direction, it's actually going to go and take out liquidity on the next direction. But now price has not taken out any liquidity. It's just giving kind of build up here. That was why I noticed what was happening on the bigger picture, on the bigger scale here. Price has been creating liquidity here since. If you notice, there was a major break here and price had not come to retest the zone. So I'm expecting like a retest to the zone. That's why I have this setup. That's why I have this buy setup. You get, so I'm only waiting for price to come back here. Now scaling. So that's it all. Nothing much. I just going to catch you guys later. If you're watching this, enjoy to like, share, and subscribe. I'm not really feeling well, so just use that drugs for me. Please like, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Let's go, guys. It's currently Friday. I don't have any setup currently. I'm just waiting for price to form. Get. I'm still on that BC trade, it's still moving well. It actually came back to my entry to pick another block, but it's actually moving on. It's almost at TP, so I'm just waiting for it to hit TP. Also looking for other pairs, but there's nothing on other pairs. I'm just looking for major breaks so I could look for entries. That's it. I'm not sure I'll upload this video, but if I upload, that means I'll have fixed what's wrong my phone. But for now, my phone is having a little bit of issue. Because I'm just managing to record this video. But if it's fixed before then, you guys probably be seeing this video. For now, I'm freshening up now. I'm going out to work. Yeah, so that's the update for now. Nothing much. Nothing yet. No trade today so far. I've just been. It's been a crazy day. I woke up to see my phone misbehaving. You get so, but it's a normal thing. So we'll pass this stage one day. One day this kind of thing will happen, and you just get out of your bed and take your car and go out and get a new phone. Unless so until then, we are still where we are. So I'm going to update you guys on how the phone issue goes and if I can't spot any opportunity for today. But so far, nothing much. Just chilling. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Let me go and freshen up and go to work. So I'm not sure I'm going to be able to shoot today. My phone is the only camera I'm able to open right now. I can't open any app. I don't know what's wrong with it. So it's been a crazy one. It's been a boring day. And it just started. So nothing much. Life is hard. I'm supposed to pass this phase of my life, bro. If I pass this phase, I'm good. So that's it, bro. Nothing. I'm just shut up. Life is boring, bro. Without money. I'm like to debt everywhere, bro. But that's by the way, Sha. Even if I fix it today or I rectify the issue today, I'm still going to update you guys. But if not, there will be no trade today. Although I have my analysis already, but I cannot execute. And I can't analyze because I'm not at home, so I don't carry my PC and come out. And while at home, I actually chat and I did not see any setup. So I just left it, hoping that when I come out, this phone is going to rectify itself, but it's still misbehaving, so I don't know. I'm just probably gonna wait. Probably I'll want to check it out later in the day. But it's still money, so it's been a rough week. This week has just been going somehow, going south. I don't know, Sha. I'm just very frustrated right now. I don't know if anybody here is also passing through this thing and passing through the same thing, but don't give up. Keep pushing. The time is coming. Just try your best to make sure that you're doing the right thing consistently. And over time, it's going to pay off. I promise you that it's going to pay off. I've seen Forex pay off this time. Like I've tested Forex on it before. No problem. I know I'm definitely gonna test it again this time. So if you're watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. So this is my probably the last video of today. Because I'm not sure I'm going to take this trade today or take any trade today, basically. So if I get them in the night, I'm going to do like a review for you guys on the setups that would have played out today. I was active. So I'm going to update you guys in a bit. Peace out. Guys, so I'm currently going back home here. So today I don't have any setup. I had a setup, or I have a setup currently, but probably look like it's going to miss me. But I'm actually going home now. Nothing much for today. No trade today. Just that BTC I took yesterday on my other account, my Naira account. So nothing much. If I reach home, I might probably update you guys on this week recap because the week has already ended, obviously. So that's it, nothing much. Actually going home. Peace out. Good guys, how is your day? So I finally fixed my phone today. So it was a rough one, but I had it done and the phone is back at work. So I fixed it around let's say 1 p.m. Nigerian time. Yeah, so I had basically how many hours to just trade. So I entered the market, normal market maker now. So I just entered and I saw a setup on BTC. I could not take because it was too fast, because I had it set up initially on BTC, but that one had already hit TP. So I had like a re-entry you get. So the re-entry was just there. And I caught it early, but I couldn't enter it because I wasn't in the state that at that point. So I saw a GPP trade. I just set limit because it was very, very far from period. I felt it wasn't going to reach it today, safe. I just put my limit and I left the market hoping to see that GPP is going to go out or play well. I came back and bro, the guy has spiked past my TP. But I've not reviewed my trades, sha. I've not checked what was wrong this week because this week we had like crazy losses. I'm going to review it for you guys in a bit now. This week was a crazy one. Let me show you guys how much we ended the week with quickly. Yeah, so every week I basically do like a weekly recap on my channel. You get this is my channel, FX Academy. This has been the name since though. So I entirely was very FX, but as time went on, I knew that bro, I'm not profitable. So why the fuck am I answering FX or why did I add FX to my name? So I just had to remove it and all that. And there's other part of the story, there's other things added to the story, but I can't really explain it for you guys now. So let's get back to what I'm meant to show you guys here. So you can see this week was kind of like a rough one. Let me focus this shit. This week was kind of like a rough one. We had only one win, which was that BTC trade that took yesterday. You can see loss. So we basically had 7 losses. Guys, more and 1 win. So we closed the week with -1R basically. Which is not bad, but it's bad to me because the losses are crazy. Bro, just see the amount of extra here. You get to it's been a crazy one though. I won't lie to you. This week crazy, like more. This week losses was too much on me, guy. I had to calm down with chase I was seeing, guy. I don't know. I feel like I'm still like like in my refining phase. This is not a phase for me to make money or to prevent it to anybody or to prevent it to you get. So this phase, I want to try and take as much trades as I can to gather as much data I can. So from next year, I'll know what I'm doing. I'll know my stand. So it's been a crazy one. I won't lie to you, bro. It's been tough on me, bro. Because I knew we were gonna pass this stage. Just time. See, there's something I want to tell you guys. Consistency always pays. It's it has not paid me, but I know it pays. I've seen people firsthand. You get. I've seen consistency. Like I've done something consistently, but I've not done anything as consistent as this. Like my entire life. You get. But the little things I know I've put my mind in it, and bro, I was the best in it wherever I go to. Up to I'm not sure up to date because I'm not practicing it like that. You get. I'm not that frequent practicing it now because of forex. I'm more consistent with forex now. But when I started them, my SS1, I started playing basketball and I started playing and I started learning the trumpet. So as I then that was the thing I was focused on. I wasn't even focusing on schools. I was taking school anyhow, guy. Like all my mind was just those 2 things because from my just1 to SS1, I was just useless guy. Basically, not like I don't know if you get. I don't have value to give to anybody. I was just there. So SS1, I developed interest in trumpet now. Then I sell in trumpet. Then I sell in basketball. Like at least I have music talent and I have like sport talent, that kind of thing. So I just started. I don't even have any plan. I just started. Then as time went on, I started developing more interest in the game, more interest in trumpet and all that. Bro, I'm telling you that from that period to my SS2, just like in the space of a year, I was very, very good. Like,
like the improvement was crazy. Like I even had to tell my parents to get me a trumpet, and they had to get me the trumpet. You get, I was practicing every single day of my life, guy, because I was in the seminary school. You get, so I was practicing like back to back, no days off, bro. Every day, morning, afternoon, night, practice. Because that time I was in school now, and it's like a body school. So, and I was the only person in my class that was playing trumpet. So I was just practicing random. Over time, I was getting better. I was learning new things. Random, small. I was adding up to my playbook, even basketball. Over time, I discovered that, bro, by SS3, I was the best in basketball in my school. I was the best trumpeter in my school. More, it was crazy. Anything that are going for like a music concert or something that are going for outside school, they must call me, bro, because I'm the best soloist, or I was the best soloist at that time. That was my SS3. You get, so I was best soloist. So for basketball, any competition that, although we don't really go for competitions, but like during normal school, like inter school matches now, bro, my SS2 and SS3 inter sport, I was one that took first. Like my house took first in basketball. So all these things just tell you that consistency actually pays. This is not like me trying to tell you guys my life story, but I'm just using it as an example. It's actually my life story, though. I'm just using it to tell you guys how consistency pays. Like the power in consistency. Over time, you might not see it, but over time, bro. That's why I always tell people, this guy, once you have started it, finish it. Once you have started, finish it. Bro, nothing is to. I don't know what to tell you guys. Don't give up, guy. Don't give up. See, it pays, bro. It pays. Don't give up. Continue pushing. It's gonna be hard. Like, you will obviously face tough times. You get, but don't give up. Giving up is not an option. Don't even put that in your head. It's like it should be out of the list totally. You see that word, giving up. I can't remember the last time I heard that word. Like, I used that word, give up. Like, in anything, guy, I've not used that word, whether in my mind or physically. Because once you use that word, it will stick. It always sticks. Word sticks. Your tongue is powerful. You don't know. Okay, so I always try to push myself, no matter the situation, because it has been a rough one. You get, I won't lie to you, it has been a rough one. The most important thing is that you're learning from your mistakes. Don't just be putting in putting the work, and you're putting the work in the wrong direction. Putting the work in the right direction, it's in the sense that you make a mistake, you pick correction from the mistake once, one hand. You get, also try and learn from other people's mistakes, so you don't make the same mistake they made again. But personally, the best teacher is experience. Experience is the best teacher. Once you experience it firsthand, you would obviously not make that mistake again, except you're just nonchalant. But if you're the kind of person that picks like interest in something, or you're the kind of person that's like knows what to do and knows his way around, bro, that mistake you won't make it again. I'm telling you firsthand, you won't make that mistake again. So the best thing is, know what you're doing wrong. Pick it. Go and find out what you are doing wrong. Try and understand it. Try and refine yourself. Try and make sure that you don't make that mistake again. That is what I'm actually trying to do with all these losses. Yeah, you might see like crazy losses, because we took like 7 losses and 1 win. You get, and we still ended the week with -1 hour. So guys, it just took like now. So it's crazy, sha, but that's it. I'm going to catch you guys later. Let me go and have my dinner. Peace out, guys. I see my teeth shiny. You guys, how is your day? So it's currently Saturday here. So nothing much. I'm currently at home. It was a rough week, as I showed you guys my weekly recap yesterday. So my weekly trade recap, basically we ended the week with -1 hour. So that's it. So I'm at home now. I just finished doing my chores. So I'm about to get chat work. But I want to be taking you guys there for this week. Next week we'll do chat talk. But for this week, it's been a rough week. I need to clear my head. So this will be the end of the video. If you've watched to this point, don't to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for tuning in this week. We pray and we hope next week is gonna be better. Meet you guys at the top. Peace out.